Today's race day replay is brought to you by Strange Engineering. Struts, shocks, brakes, rears, and more. Don't just race, race strange.
The Indiana-based machine turbocharged entry going against Ed Parker. Baltimore, Ohio, 767 cubic inches. A Buck Racing engine power here. Number 9. I'm sure we're going to see him step it up just a little bit. Alrighty, so here we go. Goldstone's in left-hand side. Let's see. Look at Parker hitting the Willie bars out there. Top end charge up at 450, 154. The Javelin had to get out of it because 469 and 167. So Brian's going to stay number 4. Parker stays number 9.